because I want to make it a little bit more sweeter. She broke up with her boyfriend. Gonna give a sensual sexy. When we get in here, don't ask for nothing. Welcome back to another vlog. I don't know if this is the beginning of a new vlog or if this is the ending of a vlog. Either way it goes, welcome back, girl guy. We are on the run again. Today we are heading out. We are going to do a little light shopping and then we have dinner at Steak 48 at 7. So of course I'm taking you with me. I'm just going to be putting B-roll because trying to talk and then sometimes the music is like loud and you get a copyright and then it just messes up your whole video. So if you don't hear me chatting, telling you guys what's going on, I'm trying to give you the 411 before we even leave the door. You know how your mother used to tell you when we get in here, don't ask for nothing. Okay, don't be talking about you hungry. I don't want to hear any of that. So right now, this is the stage I'm setting up. We have a fun, action-packed food weekend, which I don't really know what it entails because if you know how I get down, I don't really plan like that. I'm very spontaneous. I go with how I feel. And in 2.5 seconds, I'll scratch the whole plan and say I'm not coming. I'm getting in the bed. I'm going to Netflix and chill, get some popcorn, an Olipop, a Sleepy Girl mocktail, and I'm out. That's just the vibe, right? So today's fragrance is going to be Angel Nova. I'm thinking Angel Nova and Lychee because I'm doing a layering video. Thank you. And I gotta go. I'm doing a layering video on that combo. So that should be what I'm wearing today, but I might change my mind. I have been wearing Valaya like crazy. Pick somebody else, you guys. I cannot stop mixing it with almost every fragrance. Finally, I sat down Wild Vetiver. That's another fragrance that is absolutely amazing. I had to sit it down because do you see the dent in this fragrance? This is one that I definitely had to sit down. I absolutely love it. And then I also thought about wearing Sparkling Joe. Seriously, these rollers, you guys, are everything. Okay, do you see? Even that chunk of hair that I forgot to roll up, it still came out pretty okay. It just blends in. The curls actually happen pretty quickly. I don't know if you guys can see them, but even in the back, it's just so full. I think between the layers and everything like that, it's just really giving everything that I wanted it to give. All right, now I have to go get dressed. And I'm running because I'm always running late. Anyways, scarf because it's gonna get cold. I'm wearing a two-piece set. I'll get a full old CD. I've worn it before. Sunnies because I absolutely love these. I love them because they're like a see-through, so especially for daytime. And y'all know I don't really take my glasses off. When I put them on, you always get that makeup mark, so I just end up leaving them on. So scarf, like I said, Sunnies. I'm carrying my same bag. I had no time to switch it out, but it matches. Dior bag. Lady Dior. I love this bag. This is like one of my favorite bags. You could put a lot in it for it to be such a small bag, so I love this. And then I'm taking 2 pair of shoes because a pair to walk and shop. I'm gonna do these. Y'all know I hate touching shoes, but I'm gonna do these. This is like to walk and shop, and then for dinner, I'm gonna switch into a kitten heel. It ain't gonna be too much, child. It's gonna be a kitten heel. Let me show you. And then I'm gonna switch into these. This is the heel. It's a very small, minute kitten heel. It has gold, so it matches the jewelry, and it kind of matches still with everything. So I think I'll be good to go with these. Fragrance combo. Let me share it with you really quickly. Angel, Nova, Mugler, fruity, floral, sexy, flirty, love it. And then on top, because I want to make it a little bit more sweeter, so I went in with Candied Lychee by the 7 Virtue. Right on top, it's the lighter of the two. And then to seal the deal, Ellis Brooklyn Love Palm. This is what I'm doing with these body sprays, you guys. I'm just tapping them or topping them on top of stuff down by the ankles because the feet will be out. Put it everywhere. Oh, I decanted a little bit of Carl, so this will be in my bag. I'm taking it with me to apply before dinner, because it's gonna give a sensual, sexy nighttime vibe, but it's still gonna match the combo when I refresh. Talk to you soon. Bye.
In my dreams, I'm never over you. Just trying to stay alive. No matter how I feel or what I do, yeah, I keep on wasting.
Okay, besties, last time I came, every time I come, they don't have them and they never have my size. Today, the stars are aligned. They have them, they have my size. This is the gold pair here. This is what they look like. For me, they're kind of heavy, but you know I'm a gold girl. This is the silver pair here. They're great, they're gorgeous as well, and I know the extra is definitely gold. You know, this is definitely giving extra vibes, and you already know how I am, so we're definitely going with the gold. If we go with the pair, I'll show you another pair that I was debating between. Girl, she can never talk, but I really don't want to get those because they're just like too dainty, and these like are for like the airport, you know, when you do your travel, different things like that. Like I definitely am an in tow type of girl, so this is definitely right up my alley. Okay, let me show you the other pair. Okay, this is the other pair. They're kind of like ballet trainers, if you allow me to say that. These are the colors that they come in. I really love the black and white. You know I'm a black and white girl, but I just feel for what I want to do with them, these are not really what I want. Uh-oh, sorry. Let me show you the back. So they say the name there. We also know I'm a name girl. Hello. So yeah. But yeah, I think I'm gonna pass on these. I'm gonna go with the other ones, but stay tuned.
Oh, yeah. Keep it on the low, 'cause I don't wanna know. 'Cause I'm not ready to give it up.
Aside from the construction of the bag, which is actually
Yeah.
amazing, it is very roomy. This is the small.
This is a small?
This is the small.
Okay.
And somebody got the teeth stuck, but all right, well, room for that. It's a magnetic.
So your cell phone can
closure.
totally go in there.
And
Yeah.
that's it. It's just a very simple way open.
Yeah.
You have quite a bit of room in the bag.
It is roomy.
You can fit a lot of stuff. But then once it's drawn in and you have it on your person,
Yeah. This is a scarf I'm debating between. I think it has too many colors for me. Like black and white would be great, or either the red and white, but I mean, it's color blocking. It's called the color block scarf. So, yeah, I don't think so. No, this I can get with. I think this one would be more me because it has this color, but then on the other side it has this color, which is a nice navy here, so I really like that. So yeah, I think it would be more along this one. Look what fragrance it is. Ta-da! You guys, this is so good. I have this fragrance at home. Oh God, it will clash if I put it on with what I have on already, but this is so good. Let me know if you have this fragrance or if you checked it out. It's very classy. I don't have any of the notes memorized at all, but it's a very classy, hello, it's Chanel, what do you expect? But yeah, definitely a beautiful fragrance. And this is a big size too. Look at the bottles. This is probably, this would probably last me a lifetime. Mine's doesn't even have this big of a dent in it, so it definitely would. I'm waiting for the restroom, so yeah, but I'm so happy they had those shoes that I was waiting for. I am super, super excited about those.
You done? Okay, I'm coming short.
The sun is much better this way. I don't know what that view was giving, but I'm super excited they had the shoes. Very, very excited. I have been waiting for those shoes, you guys, forever. I came in on my birthday, I think, last year. Didn't have them. I went to Hawaii, didn't have them. I went to, where else did I go? I went several places, did not have them. And today I'm like, okay, let me just check and see. And she was like, yeah, we have them. And you know me, I'm like, I'm a brand new kind of girl. Like, do you have them like in the box? Nobody ever tried them on, nothing. She was like, yeah, so sold. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go. Next stop. However you'd like. Look at how cute this is. A little baby Chanel to go with the bigger Chanel. No, you're fine. Thank you.
Hey, sometimes I am lying to myself, yeah. Because I need some time.
Okay guys, we are casually popping into Dior. We have like literally 40 minutes and then we have to be at dinner. So we are not going to be here long, just so that you know.
Although it feels so right, yeah. Yes, it's nothing left for me to do. Back to the tears tonight. I remember when I laid my eyes on you.
I am washing my hands. So we are heading home now. Dinner was so good. The food was amazing. Dessert was amazing. We had, hold on, we had beignets as well. Everything was amazing. And now it's time to get home. Okay, let's go. Somebody's playing something real loud.
Can we hear that sound again?
Yeah, no, we're not. We're about to hear. No, we're about to hear Drake.
Now, how many times did we listen to LMI?
We're gonna hear Drake and LMI all the way home because those are my favorite right now. I want you guys to drop in the comment section below, like, what kind of music do you listen to? I like Drake, Future, Lil Baby. What else do I listen to? What's that? Nora Jones? Is her name
Nora Jones from back in the 90s?
Okay, no. What's the girl's name? The new lady. She has all the good slow music, and it's like girl anthem. I don't know what her name is.
Tim's?
Not Tim. Oh, I listen to Tim's, but not Tim. You know, Nora Jones.
That baby, no. Nora Jones.
Snow Allegra. There is a new lady. You know what I'm talking?
She's not called new lady.
When I work out, Tundi always listens to her.
I don't know. I can't decode that. Don't you?
Tyler, you guys, I listen to everything. I don't discriminate. We listen to everything. So, yeah. But there's the slow song. I forget her name. If I think about it, I'll put it up. But yeah, she is really, really good. She has good soothing music for like Pilates and yoga and like a matcha drink.
Tyler?
Not Tyler. She's that lady that sings like that slow songs, but they're like good. Like she broke up with her boyfriend. You know what I'm talking about?
I don't listen to broke up music.
Hey you guys, I found out who I was talking about. Sorry, I can't put the light on. It's too distracting driving on the freeway. But anyways, what is this down here? Anyways, who I was talking about was Olivia Dean. Oh my gosh, her music is so good.
Okay,
her music, you know what I'm talking about now?
Yeah.
So Olivia Dean is so good. Her music is so good, soothing, especially when you're doing like your cool down from your workout. It just like brings everything back in perspective, and she's saying a lot of real stuff. Like I really love her music as well. But like I said, I don't discriminate. I typically listen to music according to like my fragrance, like what kind of vibe I'm in. If I feel like being turned, we don't turn. If I feel like being calm and cool and collective, if I feel like being grown and sexy, I mean, I can go all the way back, I can go all the way forward. It just depends. I don't like stuff that don't relate to me or don't make sense in my life. Like I can't get with that. It could be on, doesn't mean I'm enjoying it. But yeah, typically when it comes to music, I don't discriminate. But Olivia Dean, yeah, she kind of gives me like Nora Jones. That's why I kept saying Nora Jones. She also gives me Vivian Green. She also gives me just like, you know, music.
Vivian Green.
Jill Scott. You know, just that genre of music. Very chill, very like, you know, woman empowerment, India Ari, like, you know, on those, you know, realm of what I would say for music. So, but yeah. Okay. I might come back on and say goodnight, but just in case I don't, I'm saying goodnight right now. Thank you for hanging out with me and spending the day with me. I love you like I love cooked food. I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed. Stay fit. You guys, I'm so not knowing where to look. More than anything, definitely stay fabulous, darlings. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye, guys.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you